In this pipe-wise assembly, today we are going to see how to make this movable jaw. So for that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, click on OK. Now on this interface you have to select any plane. I am selecting this, and after that go on this sketch option. Now we are going to make it step by step, and I will use same dimensions as it is given in figure. So let's make it first. Seven steps are given here. I mean 6 steps and 7 horizontal lines. So this is how we have completed our half side. I will show you. We are just going to make this half side and we will mirror it to this side. So let's give dimensions to it by using this constraint option. This distance is given to us as 36 it is given as 38 divided by 2. This distance is given us as 60. Now here it is given as 3.5, and now all of these lengths are given to us as 2.5. so just give it by your way. And there is nothing more another way to give dimensions simultaneously, so you have to give it on your own. And now this distance is also given to us as 2.5, same here as 2.5. Now we have completed our sketch, so let's mirror it. Just select all the constraints and select remaining constraint by using control option. After that, here is mirror command, so select mirror command and just select the axis on which we want to mirror it. After that, we have completed our sketch, and then go on exit to workbench from here. Now thickness is given to us as 18, so select this pad command and take here 18 divided by 2, that is 9, and select mirror extend. So you will get 9 to this side and 9 to this side, you will get 18. So your plane will be at middle, and it will be easy to make our next components. So click on OK, and now one hole is given to us here, so you have to select surface first and then click on this hole command. Now hole will be selected on the surface, but you have to select this to from here to here. So go on sketch option from here, and now select the hole and this, and make them coincide. Similarly select and make it at center. You can use distance command or just this constraint box command. After that, our point is here and it is at correct correct position. After that, go on exit to workbench, and now here we have to, I will show you in figure. This is what we have given here. So diameter is given to us as 12, and deep 20 deepness is given to us. So depth is 20 and diameter is 12, and we want bottom v bottom, so we have selected v bottom, and v bottom is given as 140 to us. So and here is 140 already written here. After that, click on OK. This is how we have completed. Now on this surface you have to make one circle, so select surface and then go on sketch option. After that, this is circle, we have to make one circle here, and now give it dimensions by using this constraint option. So diameter is given to us as 6, and now distance between this to the center of the circle is given to us as 7. So this is 7, and after that go on exit to workbench, and now use this pocket command to pocket it throughout. So from here you can select up to last, so it will be till here, then click on OK. Now this is how we have completed sketch, but one thing is remaining. We have to give chamfer here, and the chamfer is given to us as 45 into 2. So from this command, here is the chamfer command, so select chamfer, and here we have given length into angle. So the given length is of 2 and angle is 45. Then you have to select the axis on which you want to do it. So just select the sides and then take preview and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you guys.